I just finished using my 20 blade disc. I have an air grease gun that I'm going to be using, and I don't want to damage my floor, so I have it rested on a center block and brick. And I just want to point out, each box has a grease fitting. You have one here and one here, and that's what you want to grease. And when we grease it, we actually going to push the grease out from each corner. And when we grease it, we're actually going to push out the dirt that we got from the field. And we're actually going to push that out. That's what the grease is going to do. It's not only going to lubricate, but it's actually going to push it out. The dirt that you do not want to seize up in your disc, and it'll seize up. Dirt can easily, and water, moisture can easily make your blades lock up throughout the winter, and you don't want that. So we're just going to use the grease right after you use it, whatever you're dissing, and you want to grease it right after that. Purchase you 2 tubes of grease, because you're definitely going to need it. You also need disposable gloves. That's what you want. You want to push out that dirt that you accumulated from the field, and you lube it and clean it at the same time. Make sure you remove all your grass, anything that may have gotten caught up in the disc, even if you have to cut it out before you grease your disc. Now I am on the back row. Now I am on my second tube of grease. It's a good time to inspect your blades, and I have done that. And I see one blade here that's not quite correct. So I'm going to take 2 hammers and just straighten that out. And you like to stay on top of this and don't let it get too far ahead that you have to actually replace a disc. Good as brand new. I finished greasing it, and I just have it off the ground just to protect the blades from the ground. And you may have another means of protecting your blades. That's all it takes to maintain your disc and keep it forever and last a lifetime. I definitely recommend the disc with the grease box versus the non-greasable disc. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, and God bless.